This is a demonstration of the Commodore model EB2500 AM/FM shortwave solid state radio. We'll go ahead and power it up. It's the FM band.
104.5 points. 15,000.
Volume. Shortwave 3. Not sure whether there are any broadcasts on that band or not. I'm getting static. Shortwave 1 and 2. MB.
Concerning the constant Roman Catholic, final device of Satan remaining on the temple mount, as it gets closer and closer to every.
Okay, and the AM band. Now there are two other bands on here, the VHF, VHF1 and VHF2, but I don't believe there are any broadcasts on those TV channels any longer. The radio overall is in nice shape. There is one little bit of trim that's coming away right there, but overall it's in very nice condition, good looking radio, and being sold as is due to age. Thanks for watching.